Yay! Bree!
Thank you.
You're welcome, Louie!
Dalawa mo lang ako na.
Yay! Ha?
Dalawa mo lang ako na.
Kitao na, oh?
Ano ba? Put it around.
For flash! Yay! Flash flasher! Flash flasher!
Hindi sa pagsabuning iyang ano.
Dili tayo.
Dito na lang tama na to po.
Hindi mo ako.
Ah,
No flaps.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My dad and some of my mom.
Oh, I see.
Sabihan niyo na.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
For Bree! Yay! Bilang imong ano, Bel, dira, Bel, tama na, Bel? Hindi, dira ka na yun. Para katubang, saan katubang mo sa inyo?
Ito nga mo.
Ah, ito din, Bel, diri ho.
sige lang may kuha man ko diho.
Tapos kaya, ikuha niya na nga.
Ah,
Diri ko rin, ang bulo na yung may Bree. Bree! From Mom and Dad. Ang amo na, yung pili, ang punong Bree! From Nanay and Tatay. Pero ikaw lang yung matag sa yung ano yan. Sa mo yan, kay Bree. Tugang mo na yan. Dear Bree from Nanay. Louie from Mom and Dad. Louie from Mom and Dad. For both of you. At the middle. Kahamot sa ano? Isa lang wala akong pa na eh. Bree from Nanay.
Thank you. Sorry, I'm struggling with the friggin' study.
Pneumonia, huh? Daddy from Mom. Ato pag isa mo kag gift ho?
Hindi mo na niya. Tag na.
sige lang.
Kay ang ako Instagram ko.
Thank
Ah,
you.
sige. Tayo ato tayo ito. Sabon tayo ato pa isa mo ka regalo. Hindi mo kapat galing.
Then, treadmill.
May ngala na.
Then,
Dearest Bree, Merry Christmas from Nanay and Tatay.
Gosh, you're helping my mom.
Are you?
Wait, anything else?
Dearest Bree from Nanay and Tatay.
Oh, yeah.
Taking up.
Chino.
say lang itang.
Dear Dad, I love you. Love Mom. Ano, hanong ka daw. Louie and Bree.
Thank you.
Decide niyo na. Then ba't yung hindi ko, Bel? Ihatag ko na lang. For Bree from Louie.
Huh? Oh,
Oh, ikaw atag yan.
From me. To you.
thanks.
Tag team.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Lasha, you helping me?
Bel, nabutang mo to sa parang
Oo. Bill, para kay Bree. Imo na.
It's free for me.
Is that all the presents?
Huh?
Is that all the presents you have?
No. Does it look like any of yours? Honey? From you, I mean?
Other than mine.
To I Bill from Auntie Malu.
Thank you.
Yay.
I don't warn you. Most of these are probably gonna be mine because you don't.
Bree Auntie Malu, apple. And Tito
Saldi.
Saldi.
Adam para si mo, me.
Ha?
Hi. I see you. I see you.
Hindi ka panago.
Ha?
Si Plus ka panago sa Christmas tree.
I think that one.
This one is
You're not
for
going
us.
to.
Ha?
You're not going to. No.
Oo.
You're not going that one.
Daddy from Manang Malu and Apple
Thank
and
you, thank you.
Saldi. Then,
I'm doing it. Tagal ako na.
Ang inugatag ko kay mami, mobile din.
this one, Bill.
Oh. Because I forgot I didn't write anything. This is the one
Oh, I didn't.
For Bree.
Yeah, I think that's.
from. Yeah, okay. Nah, I'm gonna.
Wait,
Bree,
No,
Mona-
nanay,
I
and
had you wrap
tatay.
Muna, Bel?
no, they're.
Buksi na lang para mabalaan mo.
No, that's why I'm saying this is from us.
Oh.
That's what I'm saying. You wrapped everything that was from us, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That
Bree.
Ha?
Paano yan?
Ano na siya?
Yahatid mo kay mami.
Ate,
And nanay.
be, amo ni siya galing para kay mami mo.
Oo. Kung wala yan naman. Kung siya kay...
Oh, Mio, para si mo.
Ay, 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 ay,
Why
ay.
ko masulatan galing?
Ha?
Why ko masulatan?
Ako ni, sure ka?
Oo.
Be, buksi be, kung mo man.
Ano na?
Marinum.
Ako ni basta ha?
Dire lang butang.
Hindi ako.
Ano na ahaw?
It's an Xbox, it's not yours.
Masuli na ako.
No, I think that's it.
Wow, it's mine. Woohoo!
Ano na ahaw?
Buta.
Ano na siya, Bel?
We'll find out together.
Be,
Is this really for
be.
me, ha? Whether this is for me or not, I will not return it.
I recognize the bag, that's the reason why.
Oh, it's a good thing you recognize the bag.
Yeah.
What is this?
And I said I was gonna write on it and I forgot to write on it.
Nag-open kay Kuya sang gifts, Kuya.
Tama siya.
Ay! My God! Yes! Budo, thank you, Gidod. Ay! Ah, may dala pa
It
rin
doesn't
ano.
have that. We bought
Ah,
that.
thank you, Tay!
Oh, yeah.
Be, ang balang ka na gid nga bayloan ko tong imong ko.
Yeah, like I was like,
Ano na sa haw?
MK!
Oh, yun eh. Sa gatos.
Mahal na ani.
Sa gatos.
$99 because it's on sale. It's like $200. Ay, nice! My body bag. Oh!
Amak mo nag-sale pagid me, pero nabakal ko na ako pag sale pagid.
Ay, so nice.
No, Bel, no?
Very nice. Yay! Thank you! Thank you, everyone. Bodo artista ko ba?
Hmm.
Luya, ikuya ko, no? Ooh! And this one is also for... Si Brianna, pabigyan mo. Dito si Robby, ito ka na. Si Brianna!
we just stopped writing names on these bags apparently.
Also, Brie! Binikaw na, linakan, bin sa iya. Imo nito, do. Oh.
That's for you for me.
Si Brie lang yung patagas, ang iya na, wa.
I had my mom brought my gift ring.
Nice.
This is also for Brie.
That's definitely your handwriting.
Brie, also for you from Nanay Tatay Louie. Kaya lang yung pasulabit eh. Ako niya yung from Siljan. Ha? And also for Brie.
Di na yung ako, mga ano,
Where's your gift ring?
Yung ano?
perfume.
Oh.
Pagkagawa ko yung mga
Oh, wait, yung maputos yung ala ko man.
They're flashy now.
ano? Brie, it's your turn. Are you?
To be fair, we bought them both.
Can we give Louis the presents I wrapped for him? We still have presents.
Pili mo ko na yatag sa hapon ng regalo yan. Sa hapon.
Hindi lang.
Imbes na siya
Ariyo?
Si Dua, ako Dua man kaya, no?
Oo, I will.
Si Dina.
Naluway ko putos.
May,
Di po, na Victoria's Secret. Hindi na doon. Oh!
ibutang na sa, no? Sa sulod lang.
Why mo
Sa,
ah?
ibutang lang.
Dua man yung open na.
Ako niya ito na quart ko.
Smells so good, right?
Ang isa na bili padala ko sa kwan para may usaron to to.
Ano ka niya?
Ang regalo ni Break ng hapon.
Din sila. Tulog.
Why is it so good?
You probably open that one first because it keeps trying to open on its own.
This one, Brie, what's
Oh,
this one?
already know what these are.
They're all Louis.
Also for Louis.
May harap pa
except
sa
for the big
dalom
one.
na may, oh.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Whoa.
I think that one's for y'all.
For us?
Yeah.
From us. Yeah.
From you, both from you guys. Okay, thank you for us, tatay. Thank you. You sure, Brie, ha?
And then those two boxes is
You not
for
recommend
y'all
them?
too. Huh?
You're not working on it?
I did.
Oh, may alam.
Ay, tunay ang tay gali, oo. Tay ko, ani kayo tayo, may nga nantay nga nanay, kag tatayo. Ang kuha mo, da karon ba sila
Hindi, ah.
tuluyog da.
Ano?
Nay ang tay, sa kuha mo. Gilapo ko ba? To Louis from Brie.
What an odd shape.
I know, right? I hated wrapping that thing. It's underneath at the top, but I'm pretty sure this one's yours and this one is Gino's.
Oh,
That's from us.
Yeah, from us.
oh wow, thank you.
Ibalik na daming inimi, oh.
This is Cheetos, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ibalik na
Cheetos,
daming, oh.
oh. Tapos ako na yan.
Hindi lang
It's
pagsira,
on the
hindi lang
bottom
pagsira.
If you want to double check, but
Okay.
And this is 4 plus.
Yay!
Hindi lang pagsirahan. Kinali ko gusto mong sulod, ah.
Wala na?
it's, how do you say her name?
Yes, you go.
No more?
It's just
They were good.
throws me off because it's only it's
Why
like
na?
more
Okay.
like when you say it's.
Time to open!
Hmm?
What did you say was going first?
Oh, wala pa
Oh,
naman,
no.
no? Patay.
Yeah.
I know what this is.
Open na?